Alright, so today I'm again here with a very important video. In this one, I'm going to give you sample answer to today's real IELTS examination, September 18th, 2025. So, writing task 2 we are going to cover, and as per the predictions given by me in yesterday's video, the question was what are the causes and solutions. So the question was, the natural resources such as oil, forests and fresh water are being consumed at an alarming rate. What are the causes of this? And the other question was, how can we solve these problems? So basically there is a problem, that is the natural resources such as oil, forest and water are being consumed enormously at an alarming rate. So they are being used a lot. So this is a problem. So the question was, what are the causes of this? You had to give two causes, that why this is happening, and in the second paragraph you had to give solution. So you will be writing two causes in main body paragraph 2 and solutions in main body paragraph 2. Apart from these ones, you would obviously have introduction and conclusion. So in introduction there would be a question rephrase and then the thesis statement. In thesis statement you will say that yes, these are the causes, but this problem can definitely be solved. So in the introduction itself you should clarify that in the upcoming paragraphs I am going to explain these causes and solutions. So introduction will say that the excessive consumption of natural resources such as oil, forest and fresh water has become a pressing environmental concern. So you have to use these good words related to environment, related to topic, and you will get a good band score in topic related vocabulary in your essay. So after this you will write the thesis statement that this is mainly due to, so this problem is mainly due to these two things, population growth and industrial expansion. So these are the two main ideas that why this problem is happening, which are putting enormous pressure on our ecosystem. So because of these causes, so this problem is being faced by people. However, appropriate measures can help conserve resources and ensure their sustainable use. So if there are some causes, so definitely there are solutions as well. In first paragraph you will write the causes, and in second one you will give the solutions. So you have to write two causes. So the major cause of resource depletion is the rapid increase in population. So this is the main idea, and then I am going to explain that main idea, that why increase in population is the major cause of this problem. So I'll start with the sentence, as more people require housing, food and transportation, industries extract oil, timber and water at rates faster than the environment can replenish them. Then I am going to, I have already explained this one. So firstly I have given main idea in the body paragraph and then explained that, and now I am going to give example. For example, in many urban areas, excessive groundwater extraction has caused wells to dry up, forcing governments to import water at a high cost. This not only strains local resources but also increases living expenses and disrupts communities. So this was all about first cause. So in first cause there are four sentences. First sentence is the main body paragraph, and then the explanation, then example, and then the result. So after that I'm going to give another cause by adding a connector, that is another contributing factor. So another contributing factor is industrial expansion. So this is the main idea too. Now I'm going to explain that how industrial expansion is leading to this problem, which consumes vast amounts of fossil fuels and raw material, further damaging the ecosystem. So these are the two causes. Now in the next paragraph I'm going to give solution. To tackle these problems, government intervention and public education are crucial. So these are the two solutions, that is government intervention and public education. Now I'm going to explain these main ideas. In other words, authorities can introduce strict regulations on logging and water usage while performing renewable energy such as solar and wind power. So if the government introduces strict regulations for the usage of these ones, then definitely this problem can be solved. So government intervention is required. So now I am giving example that countries like Germany have successfully reduced fossil fuel dependence through such policies, resulting in lower emissions and more sustainable energy use. So that means in Germany this problem has already been solved because of this solution. So I'm strengthening my viewpoint. Additionally, now I'm giving second solution by adding a connector additionally. Raising awareness among citizens about responsible consumption, such as reducing electricity and water waste, can help preserve natural resources. So this is the second solution. So in the second paragraph, I have given two solutions. Now the conclusion. In conclusion, I will be giving a summary of body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. That is, I will be giving main ideas, two main ideas from body para 1 and two main ideas from body para 2. So in conclusion, population growth and industrial expansion are the main causes of overconsumption of natural resources. So these are the two which I explained in my body paragraph 1. So these are the causes. By enforcing government policies and encouraging responsible behavior among citizens, so these are the two solutions. So by following these ones, it is possible to safeguard these resources for future generations. So these are the two solutions. So in this way, your paragraphing must be appropriate. Your body paragraph should be clearly written. They should have clear main idea, then explanation of that main idea, then example, and then result. If they're asking two causes and two solutions, then you should be giving two by adding the connectors such as additionally, besides this. And in your IELTS examination task 2, you are given score for topic related vocabulary. Topic related vocabulary means the words which are being used in this essay related to this topic. So these are all the resources, these are all the topic related vocabulary words which I have used. So because of these ones, this type of essay is 8 bands. So natural resources, oil, forest, fresh water, resource depletion, ecosystem, industrialization, pollutants, fossil fuels, etc. And the second thing for which you are given a good band score is grammatical range. So you have to use complex sentences, passive sentences, conditionals, and you also have to use cohesive devices like connectors, firstly, secondly, moreover, however, conclusion. So these are the things due to which the person or candidate is able to achieve a greater band score in writing task 2. So I'm going to have a new video on complex sentences in coming few days. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Do comment, do share, and do like if you are getting something out of it, so that I get encouraged and post more videos. Alright, so this was all for today. So this was the real question which was asked in today's IELTS examination, September 18, 2025. Alright, so this was all for today. See you again.